pay for parking under a building. Because I'm not going to try to do that and then, you know. I'm not trying to get no ticket, guys. No ticket whatsoever. That's the part of going in the office that I don't miss. You always got to get your hair done. You got to get your nails done. Too much spending. Oh my God. I'm not looking forward to that. I'm already stressing already and I'm not in the office. I'm going to have to go back to my nail technician to get my nails done. Or I'm going to have to make Riri paint my nails for me. Once I take out that one, I drop the last one. So I really didn't make a lot of chicken, really. Jesus, this oxtail, what? This oxtail looks yummy, baby. Look at it, baby. This oxtail look real good. Nah lie. Here, Gabby, here, Gabby, here, Gabby. I'm coming, mommy, I'm coming. You're coming? You're coming? Coming where? Where you coming, mama? Oh, you smell it? Yeah, man. Smelling it means cooking. Hello, host. And chat like done. Thank you so much. I was just talking about me going back in the office journey and how I'm not looking forward to it, because when you're in the office, your hair have to be always on fleek, your nails have to be always on fleek, you gotta have conversations even when you don't feel like it, you know what I mean? That's what I'm not looking forward to at all. Papa, you hear Gabby? Alright, that's my last chicken wing, guys. The funny part about it is they're gonna be fighting over that chicken wing because we don't have a lot of chicken wings. And everybody is gonna have a problem because one person wants 3, another person wants 2. I'm not cooking anymore. I'm not frying anymore. Everybody's gonna get one. Can you go get a fish out of the fridge outside for me? Please? Yeah, I'm gonna steam a fish a bit. One gonna settle. It's too much wood for the fire. In a couple more minutes, this oxtail here will be finito. Okay. Should I buy like 3 more pounds? 5 pounds no buy none. Should I buy like 3 more pounds because I get Aliana? Okay, Aliana. Hello. You just got home. How was work today? Why sometimes you can't bother with human interaction, brother, personally.